another Challenge Friday. Challenge Friday with Team Awesome. Alright, so this week it's going to be the Whisper Challenge. Basically, you're going to have one person sit in this chair and, you know, they're going to be listening to music. And the person over here is going to give them a sentence, a line, and they should try to figure out what is being said. So we're going to split into two teams. Me and Casey. Where Casey there?
Right here.
Yeah, the winning team versus... Yeah, them lamos over here. Them lamos over here, so he's going to be the judge for today. The judge and hope you fear. So alright, I have the 10 questions.
I have the 10 questions.
Okay.
Let's see how fair it gets.
Alright. So how it will go is that for the first 5, you know, one person going to be the listener. And then for the other 5 questions, other person be the listener. Yeah. So it will go. Alright, so let's see. Who will win? Come Casey. Come Casey, ready for going. Ah.
I don't know.
Alright.
Alright. Guess the... It's between... Like one more time. Something about love, that's all I got. I don't know.
Kezia love animals.
Joel drinks a lot of water.
Trust in peace. I didn't think it's a bit fun, but it's actually pretty fun.
Joel drinks a lot.
Dog, you're not even trying to speak. You are not even trying to speak.
Joel drinks a lot of water.
Hey, yo. Yo, can I get a new partner?
Joel drinks a lot of water. Oh my god, yo!
Lucky.
The light box has 3 bulbs.
Lima beans.
The light box has 3 bulbs.
Tell her about. No.
One more. Alright. The light box has 3 bulbs.
Champion.
The light was on the fridge.
Again. The light box has 3 bulbs.
The light box has 3 bulbs.
Yeah.
Chinese food makes me thirsty.
Something. You're thirsty?
Alright. Chinese food makes me thirsty.
Please be thirsty.
Chinese food.
I see cesspool. That's what I'm saying.
Calvin says.
Yo, I was walking. I can't find thirsty.
Chinese food makes me thirsty. Chinese food makes me thirsty.
Joel is full of pee.
One more.
Chinese food makes me thirsty.
I don't know, I give up.
Alright. The coach is red.
1,000 dragons.
The coach is
Look out.
The coach.
The count?
Red. The coach is red.
All I see is 1,000 dragons.
The coach is red.
The couch is red.
No, let's switch now. Switch.
Jeremy loves driving.
Oh yeah, forget about it. Jeremy loves gravy.
Jeremy loves driving.
Jeremy loves curry gravy.
Jeremy loves driving.
Jeremy loves gravy.
Alright, you get 3 chances.
German.
Jamaica loves track and field.
One more time, please.
Jermaine loves.
Kids, I can't keep doing it over and watching it. Guess it. Next one, kids. Next one.
I don't know. Jermaine loves driving.
Yeah.
Wait, wait, somebody decide.
Everybody loves on the beach.
Everybody loves the bitch.
Everybody loves on the beach.
Everybody loves the beach.
Give yeah, that's all.
Okay, everybody.
Everybody loves the beach.
Yes. That's great.
O'Shane only drinks bottled water.
Drinks out of water.
You see, I'm actually mouthing my words. O'Shane only drinks bottled water.
Water.
Okay, move on.
No, yeah, one more try now.
O'Shane only drinks bottled water.
Respond. Respond to water.
Bomba. Mayor Ochi. Ochi Barbaroda. What? Only straight bush water. And I'm here. Only straight bush water.
One more.
One more, yeah.
So, oh.
You can't keep.
Only drinks bottled water? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, go to level 96 every Friday.
Coleslaw. God, where's somebody?
Go to level 96 every Friday.
Every Friday. I think that was the last part.
Okay, go to level 96 every Friday.
Coleslaw every Friday. I don't know.
Oh, sorry, but I listen to the song. Whenever I listen to the song, I didn't. My ear every Friday.
Alright, one more time, kids. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Go to levels every Friday.
Alright, you can't get the point. It's level 96.
Close enough, yeah.
Okay, right, one more. Subscribe to Team Awesome on YouTube.
Box lunch. Jump. Man, I don't know what you're saying, man.
Subscribe to Team Awesome on YouTube.
YouTube. Williams.
Subscribe to Team Awesome on YouTube.
I give up.
That's it.
My ear like YouTube TheDuttyBerry.
Go again.
Okay,
Go
again.
again.
Yeah.
Subscribe to TheDuttyBerry on YouTube. Yo, the liquid something there. Yo, done?
Yeah.
We can bring him in. Bring him
Yeah.
in.
This is how winners look.
Yeah. Like we don't know. We don't okay.
Well,
We can all see that.
Yeah,
See that we're
imagine-
looking like a team.
In all fairness,
We're looking like a team.
when I read my lips.
When I read my lips.
How long is it going to come up with that, like the excuse there? How long? Want to deliberate?
There's about 7 steps between the door and the camera. Right
Yo,
there.
male and female.
Yeah.
No.
You guys have to be in sync. If you weren't, then something would have.
Yeah.
I don't say wrong because it's 2017. It just, you know, moving on. Hey guys. Yeah. Berries, your show's too.
Yeah.
Yes, so that is it. What was the score? How much did I get?
8 to 1.
What? Which one did I get?
Everybody goes. Everybody goes.
They even got the Team Awesome one?
Yeah.
I started with bitch.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. So anyway, people said our score is what, 8?
Yeah.
Oh.
Good job, guys.
Anyway, so big up to our team, the winning team, but they didn't clear it from the start, and the losing team over here, so Jermaine and Joel. So
Hey,
the time look at time and come up with excuse what I read man lips.
first and second place. I
Alright, that's it, people. Thanks so much for watching another Dirty Berry show. This is Challenge Fridays with Team
Awesome!
Yeah, judging off on that video. Judging off on that video. But yeah, as usual, make sure to say you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe. I'm gonna put the link to Team Awesome down below, so I'll put all them social media handles, so you just go and follow them. Anything you want to tell people about Team Awesome.
Yeah, guys. So even though it's gonna be down below, you can subscribe to our page. We release videos kind of all the time now. We're trying to do a thing like Barry just have the content out there for you guys. So we are Team Awesome JA on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button, please. We appreciate all the views. Let us know our comments, things you want us to do. If you want us to come to locations that you guys are affiliated to do reviews, anything. Follow us on Instagram, Team Awesome JA, Twitter, Team Awesome JA1. Yeah, we're gonna put them down.
Yeah, we just want to say
A future Prime Minister here, people. Just let us do it.
Hey, Team Awesome for governor, alright? Peace out.
And alright, if anyone out there have a little money and feel like you want to just spend it on somebody, so join here. See there? That's it, see there? Just link him. And yeah, when I get the audit, just give him a little credit. Just get all want a little credit.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, just a little credit. Alright. Alright, people, peace out. And bye bye.
We won!
Yo, whoa.
No, he got one.
Oh, yeah, one.
You see? I mouth my words. Let me put the last one in.
Oh my goodness. The man that's even trying to eat.